Okay, today I'm going to fix the window regulator on my 2000 Jeep Grand Cherokee. It stopped in about that position, completely stopped working, won't go up or down. You hear it clicking and making noise trying to, but it just won't. Okay, to remove the door panel, you have one Phillips here, you have a hex style down in here, and a Phillips right there. Okay, just use a little screwdriver. Pry this open. There's one. There's two. Gotta hold your door handle open while trying to get this last one out. Alright, now that I've got all the screws out, just pop this panel off. I recommend starting at the bottom and working your way up and around. You can use a screwdriver or a panel popper, or actually I have a panel popper. This panel's been off before, so half the clips are broken. Don't worry if you're breaking these plastic tabs. They're pretty cheap to replace at the dealership or the auto parts store. Okay, once you have your panel completely popped off, you can look inside here. And those two bars are attached to your door handle and your door lock. They're really easy to pop off. As you can see right there, it's just an open end on it. Go ahead and just push it off with your thumb. Okay, once you've removed these two bars for the door handle and lock, go ahead and disconnect the harness. Gonna have one more for the power mirror. There we go. Okay, now you're going to have to remove all of this. It's going to fall in a million pieces on you. Just throw it all in the freaking trash. Try and save what you can, but a lot of it's just crumbling off in pieces, so just throw it away. Throw this whole piece in the trash. Yeah, that's garbage. I'm not going back on there. Okay, once you're to this point, go ahead and remove the glass. Come over here. There's a clip down in here. That little metal clip right there is what you're going to want to remove on this side. Over to this side. And got another one of those little metal clips right there. Okay, this is what the clip looks like. Got this side out. Might be able to show you what this side looks like. Alright, it'd be easy if I had just a little hook or something, but I'm gonna use some needle nose pliers. There it goes. Okay, go ahead and remove this piece of trim right here. It just pries right on up and out. glass up. To get the glass out, tilt it forward as you're pulling up on it, and it comes out from the outside of the vehicle. Now go ahead and remove all these bolts. If you're going by the manual, there's one more bolt that doesn't show. Okay, to unplug it, just push this red tab down, and then push your thumb here and pull. This bolt here. Go. There's the old broken one. Just side by side. You can see that the old one is busted right here and up there at the top. Installation is same as removal. Hopefully a little bit easier. Goes in. Okay, so it goes in like this. I found it easiest to start with the 3 bolts in the motor first. Alright, I've got the motor all lined up. Go ahead and throw a bolt on this to keep it in place. Everything's nice and tight. Let's put this glass back in here. Found it easy to start with the front first and outside of the door. There we go. There it goes. place. Get it back down to the bracket and click it back into place. Hopefully I can show you popping that clip back in. Maybe. Let me see. Boom, that clip just popped back in easily. Other side's back in. Let's take the clip and put it back in there. Do the same for the other side. Okay, got your clips all back in. Let's go ahead and run this wire back over the harness. Plug this guy in. Push this red tab back up. It's locked in there. Let's put the door panel back on. Alright. Go ahead and connect this mirror back up. Plug your window back in. Put your door rods back together. The longer one is for the lock. The longer one is for the lock and the shorter one is for the handle. Okay, just line it up with all these tabs that go all the way around the door and push it back together. Put your 2 screws and the 1 hex nut back in here and it's all done. Okay, got it all back together. Now I'm going to check, make sure it works. Oh yeah. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and check out the other videos on my channel.